Hi everyone, my name is Aman. I graduated from Assembly of Angels in 2013. After that, I finished my higher studies and I came to America in 2015 to do my undergraduate degree. Now, I live in the city of Atlanta, which is in the state of Georgia, and I'm doing my master's in astronomy at the Georgia State University. Last year, I had the chance of flying back to India and visiting my school, Assembly of Angels, in 6 long years. I had a flood of flashbacks as soon as I walked to campus, and it was one of the best feelings I've ever had. The goosebumps I got, just having memories flash in front of you, that was just amazing. I remember how I would get food at the little canteen during lunch break. I remembered going to the Touch Me Not plants in front of the front office and just playing around. And the best one was the playground where I used to play football all the time. These memories were one of the things that I can't never forget. I remember joining assembly when I was in upper nursery, and almost all my personality traits, my core beliefs, has been shaped pretty much since the school. The basic discipline you get from the school is it goes a long ways. Respecting the teachers goes a long ways. These are the few things that I learned from my founder and our principal. I remember the teachers were really supportive, and they would always tell me whatever things I needed to know. They would answer all my questions. They would guide me on things, on questions and problems I would get stuck with. They would suggest me ideas on stuff in the future that I might need. Um, Pretty much they were there for me whenever I needed them. And that's something I'm deeply thankful for, and they have my gratitude forever. I remember one of my teachers when she appointed me to be the captain of the Red House. I was so nervous because I didn't know if I could do it, but she came and told me that she believed in me and she thought I could do it. And pretty much ever since then, I have gotten a lot of confidence in myself and just doing the things I wanted to do. So I just have enormous amount of memories that I can go through. But what I want to do, really want to do, is thank the school and congratulate on the 25 years anniversary. And I'm so delighted that I could be part of this institution. And finally, just like anybody else who's currently at the school, I also want to say that I am still a proud angel. Thank you.